Hello, welcome to another session. Today we are going to be dealing with how to use TradingView app for chart analysis. If you like this kind of content, subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications. So let's head over to TradingView app. The first thing here is for you to choose your trading pair. As you can see, we have BTC, we have Euro, USD, we have gold, and so on. So you have to choose a trading pair that you want to trade with. If you don't find the one of your choice, you can also add it. Let's go back to drawing with TradingView. By clicking on the symbol that resembles a pencil, you will see so many things you can draw. As you can see on the list, there are so many things you can draw in TradingView, so many things you can use for your chart analysis. If you want to draw a rectangle, if you want to draw a circle, whatever you want to draw, all those tools are available in the TradingView app. So as we go on in our subsequent videos, you'll see how we use some of these tools for our chart analysis. Let's go over to activating indicator strategies and patterns in TradingView. In TradingView, when you click the F symbol, the symbol you see F, yes, you can see so many things that you can activate that can help you in trading. The indicators can help you to know the timing of your entry. For those of you who want to use or who like to use indicators for your trading, but I don't usually use it. Alright, so we have so many things apart from indicators. We have strategies. Yes, there are automatic strategies that when you activate, all those things will just appear automatically on your chart. It can help you with your entry positions, it can help you with chart analysis and so on. We have profiles, we have patterns. So in my subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to activate the smart money concept strategy. So when you activate it, you will see smart money concept automatic analysis. Let's head over to setting chart type. As for the chart type, there are different chart types. You can choose to use candlesticks. You can choose to use lines. Yes, you can choose to use bars. So whatever you feel comfortable with, you can set your chart to it. But we basically use candlesticks, and sometimes, depending on how the market is, we sometimes use the line so that we can see the market structure very well. So as you can see, there are so many other things, so many other chart types. So whichever of your choice, you can use it. So those are the basic things you need to know about the TradingView app. As we do subsequent videos, you'll be discovering other things. Thank you for watching.